In this quick video today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together a delivery driver snack box for the holidays. I've been doing this for years and it's a great way to show gratitude. So head to the grocery store and get some shelf-stable snacks like crackers, granola bars, chips, etc. I also like to get a sweet treat as well, and here I got some wafer cookies in chocolate and vanilla. Lastly, don't forget to grab them something to drink. So first grab yourself a clear bin with a lid and give it a good wipe down. Then next you just want to add in your drinks and your snacks. I put the drinks to one side and the snacks to the other, so it's very easy for them to grab either. Next, grab your lid, the printable thank you sign, and a clear sheet protector so the sign doesn't get ruined with bad weather. Just slip your sign in the protector, tape onto the lid, and slide the lid upright in the back of the bin. Then you are ready to spread some holiday cheer with your delivery driver snack bin. Just place this bin outside near where you receive your packages and keep an eye on it to refill it with snacks and drinks as needed. I have plenty of thank you sign printables in my shop, link below, or you can make your own. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful holiday season.